We're currently heading up the Loch Arkaig Corbetts. Me and Robin are away this weekend. We're staying in the Morvich campsite, and then tomorrow we're going to go up Blavin. So our pal Ian is doing a triple completion this weekend. So today he's doing the Graham Belleague, the Corbett Garvin, and then tomorrow Blavin. So the Grahams, the Corbetts and the Monroes, no bad. It's windy, eh?
Yes. Hello.
So I've done this Corbett before, but up the different glen.
The Glen of Doom.
Glen of Doom, so I'm chumming Robin up this one.
Cheers, pal.
No worries, pal. Then I've got to do Geal Charn, not done that one before. The wind speeds were to be 25 to 40, increasing to around 50 in the afternoon. Monroe height, obviously, we're a wee bit lower, but still pretty gusty. First Corbett up there. There's the approach I came up in May. There's the Graham. I'll bag that another time if I'm bagging Grahams. Gilvain and the Glenfinnan Monroes. The time is Peter Sardine o'clock. Square go. What are you doing, silly works?
Oh, silly works you now.
So we're just descending after being fed and watered. Going to go over the Corbett top, just because it's there and it's high and we get a view.
And it might get promoted to a proper Corbett.
Aye, one day it might get promoted now. And then our final Corbett, Geal Charn. So me and Robin are going to be snuggled in here tonight. We last used this tent in the same campsite, must have been about 5-6 years ago, after the Forking Ridge. Ben Farah looking big and imposing. And here we have Chef Robin. Hello Robin, what's on the menu today?
Hello, today on the menu we have got some cheesy pasta, h-Eilde special.
Ooh.
And then we're going to have pasta on a bed of mashed potato.
Ooh, lovely.
Butter and herb flavour as well.
That sounds
No expense there.
delicious.
And then dessert, we've got the h-Eilde Bad Boys creamed rice.
Yum 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 yum. I look forward to
Rice
that.
coffees washed down with a tin of Innis and Gunn.
Lovely. Beautiful. That looks delicious, doesn't it? Alright folks, this is plan B today for me. Woke up this morning, absolutely the worst sleep ever. The tent was rattling and battling. Oh, I just felt a wee bit absolutely knackered, no sleep. Felt a wee bit dizzy as well. I get ear issues now and again, eh? Don't know if they're related to my MS or no. But sometimes if I sleep a certain way, I can wake up and I feel a bit dizzy. So I just thought, nah, blavin, not today, like. So I went back and had a good sleep till about 10ish. So this is plan B, just on the lower slopes of the Corbett, just taking it easy. Listening to my own body and just resting, eh? Plus that forecast was just looking just... But they were predicting gusts up to 50-60 mile an hour and just constant rain. When it's a forecast like that, nah, no point, eh? So here's where I went up, around the slopes and then down the track. Just too much of a minging day to get up high, eh? Storm sweaty Betty as well. Can't be arguing with storms.